y'all, going to another job interview. As you can see, I'm dressed. I didn't give 2 F's. I just threw anything on. I got cat hair everywhere. I feel like a mess, look like a mess, but you know what, I'm still going, so hopeful for the day. I'm ready to get back to the crib. I'm ready to get back home, honestly, and just do some yoga, chill and stuff like that. So, but we'll see how this day goes. They're on my lips. I be feeling like they look crusty. We ain't gonna talk about that, but let's go. Y'all, it took me forever to even arrive here, like 25 minutes later. I finally got here. Honestly, I'm tired, and it's like kind of far from where I stay. It's a good like hour and a half. All right, so y'all, that interview actually went really great. The guy, interviewer, was like, he was so amazing. I love him. He was great. I hope, fingers crossed, that I do get hired. They did tell me to come in again tomorrow to meet like management and stuff like that, so we'll see. It sounds like the girl got it. I mean, but I'm actually really excited. The people there are like so nice. It's a lot of young folks also, so I feel like I fit in like perfectly. Damn, why is it like glowing? Why is my skin glowing right now? Like I believe it is the next day. I realized I didn't tell you much about the interview yesterday, so they did call me today, but it wasn't to come in. I didn't get it, sadly, but I am happy, grateful, I don't know, that they did call me, you know, instead of just not really saying much or just keeping me in the dark, you know. So I felt like that was actually pretty considerate. I'm thinking of the positives, what I can't control, what's good coming out of this, you know. So the good thing is I have more time to focus on my business, you guys, my online store. Check it out if you want to support me. Okay, she really did it. I'm back. I did finally wash my hair, so thank God. I didn't think I was gonna do it today too, because I was feeling so lazy, but I was in a rush, so I just did this or whatever. So we're at my school. My sister got some BS to be doing. Don't ask me. I don't know, I'm just here. Emotional support. Subscribe to me. Well, yeah, subscribe to our channel. My name is Anna. She had active in this. If you don't understand me, she put it up in the screen. Alright, I'll see y'all maybe not. But anyways, bye beauties.
That's how you see.
Hey y'all, it's another day. And it's, I guess, another day of job hunting. And y'all will be coming with me. Like, I feel like this whole week I just been going to jobs, like back to back, which is not Wednesday, but I went Tuesday, yesterday, today, and I have another one on Monday, so we'll see what happens. I didn't know what to do with my hair. I did recently wash my hair, so, and I didn't, you know, protective style it last night. I didn't do nothing, so it is just a big frizz ball, and not even in a good kind of way, not even a nice soft curly, you know, frizz ball. It's just a big frizzy rough frizz ball. So that's how we're looking like, and I'm out. I'm not really feeling my fit, but they just gonna have to you want me. Like, I feel like if I was meant for it, it would not matter what I really have on. You know, it doesn't matter, like, my personality and all that extra. I have some studying to do. I'm practicing real estate, so my book is in my book bag. So I do need to do that. Oh, and the little cuties are here. They were being so bad this morning. Maybe I shouldn't say bad, but wild. Doing whatever the heck they want. Now they finally taking a nap in, because before they were just jumping on us like all over the damn bed. This is basically like a whole week of just job hunting, so if this don't go well, I need to find a whole new profession because it's not it. Alright, y'all, just got out of the second interview and I changed because later on I'm gonna go study and read a book. Not read. I'd be so quick to say that. What? Oh, I gotta go study. So I'm gonna go to the library. I need some water. I need some milk. I didn't get time to show y'all the first interview place that I went to, but it was like really nice. Like that was like, it was one of the nicest properties I've seen. But I've seen a lot of nice properties. I think that's why I wasn't like, oh my god, oh my god. You know what I mean? But the second one I went to, it was basic. So I was just like, please don't hire me. Like low key, don't hire me. Please don't. But that first one, they could get it every day, all day. Okay, I'm just kidding. Hey y'all, it is the next day, Saturday. I plan on just getting my hair done today. I'm not doing anything like extravagant or special. I'm just gonna put on a, what is called, a protective style twists, and I'm gonna leave that on for the whole week. We'll see how that turns out. But I also do need to study. I have a cram webinar today, so that's really all I'm gonna be doing today, and it's literally for like a whole 8 hours. You like, just imagine the death. Like, I could even barely even stay awake. Actually, I'm supposed to be there right now, but I'm gonna lay. And I finished it, so I just put it in a cute little ponytail. Look really small. I'll show y'all it. In the back, I try to do like leaving it out where it curls. However, it wasn't getting curly. Like I put mousse, I put gel, and it still turned out frizzy. So I just did the rest regularly. So I just said F it. So that's it, to be honest with y'all. It's like my hair got like a lot shorter. I have not really been taking care of my hair. I'm not even gonna lie. Probably this whole year or whatever, like I really haven't been taking care of my hair. I just leave it out, let it dry up. I don't remember the last time I did a protective style. I've just been feeling a lot lazy lately, especially when it came to my hair routine, which I need to do better, but honestly I don't see that changing, only because lately I just wanted to focus more on other things such as you guys, and I do want to create a business on the side, so I guess that's another thing that I've been creating. But the thing is, like, I just noticed that I've done this hairstyle before. My hair was like a lot longer, and now my hair is like what? It's literally on my neck, and it's like I'm just not used to that. And it's like I already had a feeling my hair was shrinking, because obviously what do you expect if you're not taking care of your hair? But that's it for today. She was bothering me, so I just gave her one. You know you're not gonna eat it, you know, but you wanted it so bad. Okay, mamas, I'm eating the same thing you eating. I'm eating the same thing. I'm eating the same thing, Ava. You see what I gotta do it? Anyways, I recently came back from the interview. I guess persistence does pay off, because your girlfriend got hired, but I gotta fill out this application and then give it to them ASAP. Obviously, it's not like the ideal property I went to work at, but you know what, it's a property. It's a job. It's gonna give me coins at the end of the day. So this girl's still bothering me. It's the same thing. The one you didn't even eat over there. So your girl's gonna fill out this application and give it to him. Cause this has to be my last month without a paycheck anyways. So it is what it is. I'm ready for it. And yeah, I guess that's my week. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. Bye.